Hello. Today we are going to discuss about more on the component design. So in our high level design, we have seen that there was one image server, there was one S3 storage backed by CDN, and then there was a metadata storage. So what will happen? You have to keep discussing with your interviewer. Here I am doing a monologue, so I cannot showcase or assure you in which direction this in system design interview will go. So we'll take just one direction where we want to focus more, and then we'll try to pick one component and try to find out that what all the improvements we can do, what all the things we can do, and what things we can think more on top of that. So today I'll be taking this image server. So if we see that photo, what all the main things this will be doing? This will be doing is photo uploads and then the download. Means that a viewing. You are viewing photo or you are downloading it. So what will happen if both these functions are happening on the same image server? There might be the chance, suppose if you have given a server 500 concurrent connections, as we all know that upload speeds across globe, they are much slower than the download. So in any broadband anywhere, if you try, you are giving 100 Mbps speed of download, maximum you will get 2 to 10 Mbps of upload. So we already know that upload is a choking part. So suppose if you have 500 connections and almost 90% of the connections got exhausted by your upload itself. So what will happen is that your download and viewing experience will also get hampered. This is not a good design. So what will happen is that those things should be totally separate. So suppose as we have considered that it will be 80 to 20. 20% will be the data write will be happening and 80% will be the data reading part. So if because of this 20%, if your 80% traffic is getting affected, that's not a good sign. You're not designing system well. So what you should do is you should try to separate them. What will happen is that you try to have one for upload image server, which will be again connected to CDN, and then the metadata DB, and then again you have again one for download, and which will be connecting to CDN, S3 storage, and then metadata. With this, what will happen is that just take example, you are getting more traffic on this download part. You add more servers to it. You can keep adding more servers. But in upload, you are getting less traffic, so you can live with only 2 servers. Here you can add 10 servers. So they can be individually scaled, and because of that, this even if this gets choked, this part will be always safer, and you are keeping 80% of your public happy. Or even if you want to add cache layer and all those things for better experience, on this download part and viewing part, you can put always in between your client and your image server, or in between your database and then in your image server, you can always put cache. So what will happen that you can individually maintain these two and you can individually scale these two. So this is one part of the thing where I just wanted to focus on that. You can take a kind of further discussion.